Imagine living in a world where you don't need to own a robot to enjoy its benefits. Just as no one needs a bus to get around or a home library to read, soon it may be possible to access the services of the Tesla Optimus robot through a shared-use model. This idea, which is gaining traction in the United States, positions Optimus as the protagonist of a technological transformation that could change the way we interact with automation in our daily lives. Before we continue, we'd like to ask for your support. Subscribe to the channel and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. This will be crucial for us to continue bringing you incredible content about Tesla Optimus and the latest technological innovations. Returning to the topic at hand, the concept of public robots follows the logic of the sharing economy, already known through services like Uber and Airbnb. Instead of investing tens of thousands of dollars in purchasing a Tesla Optimus, individuals and businesses could use it through subscriptions or pay-per-use. This would make cutting-edge technology more accessible without the need for a large initial investment. It's worth remembering that this collaborative consumption model has already proven its effectiveness. A study by the University of Oxford, released in 2023, revealed that services like Uber and Airbnb reduce the need for individual ownership in large urban centers by up to 30%. Public robots could follow suit. Imagine a family renting an Optimus for a few hours to clean their house, or a restaurant hiring the robot to help during peak hours. Besides eliminating high initial costs, estimated at around $20,000 per unit, this system also reduces maintenance costs. In a scenario where automation is already transforming several sectors of the American economy, Optimus has guaranteed room for growth. According to Statista, the robotics market in the U.S. is expected to jump from $14.8 billion in 2024 to $37.2 billion by 2030, with an average annual growth rate of 16.7%. Thanks to its versatility, Tesla's robot can be easily integrated into a variety of environments, from homes to industrial production lines. This puts it in a strategic position to operate in areas such as hospitality, healthcare, retail, and more. A practical example comes from Singapore, where Changi Airport has been using cleaning robots since 2018. According to internal reports, this technology reduced cleaning time by 20% and increased user satisfaction by 15% by 2024. In the United States, Optimus could take on similar roles, from assisting with service in busy restaurants to guiding passengers at airports. In healthcare, the robot could be a key ally in the face of an aging population. WHO projections indicate that by 2050, there will be more than 2.1 billion people over 65 worldwide. In the U.S. alone, the number of seniors is expected to reach 95 million. Optimus could assist in nursing homes, reminding patients to take their medication, helping with mobility, and even providing companionship, essential to combating loneliness, which affects more than a quarter of older Americans. In everyday household life, shared robot use also promises to have a positive impact. A 2023 survey found that Americans spend an average of 6 hours a week on household chores. By renting an Optimus for $10 an hour, close to what cleaning services charge, people could free up time to focus on family, hobbies, or professional growth. One example would be a single mother in Chicago who, by hiring an Optimus to clean her apartment, can spend more quality time with her children. The emergence of Tesla Optimus, a humanoid robot designed to perform a wide range of tasks with human-like precision, represents a watershed moment in the advancement of automation. In the United States, the proposal to make Optimus publicly available through a shared services model could profoundly change the way we work, live, and interact in society. Unlike traditional robotic systems, which require large individual investments, Optimus can be rented as needed, similar to public transportation or ride-hailing services. This new model offers significant advantages. It increases efficiency, significantly reduces costs, and expands access to cutting-edge technology in a fairer and more democratic manner. Thus, Tesla Optimus, available as a public resource, has the potential to positively impact daily life in the U.S., making automation accessible to everyone. But what, after all, are the most relevant benefits that Optimus can bring to community life? One of the main advantages is its ability to increase productivity in various sectors. Unlike human workers, Optimus can work 24 hours a day, without the need for breaks, rest, or breaks. This uninterrupted operation is a crucial differentiator in dynamic environments such as restaurants, distribution centers, and stores. According to a McKinsey report released in 2023, automation could increase workforce productivity in the service sector by up to 30% by 2030. Imagine a busy New York restaurant. An Optimus robot could clear plates, serve customers, and replenish stock, all without showing signs of fatigue. This would reduce wait times and increase table turnover. Concrete examples of this kind of efficiency already exist. Singapore's Changi Airport has been using cleaning robots since 2018 and has managed to reduce sanitation times by 20%, according to the airport's own data. In the US, public robots like Optimus could achieve similar results in shopping malls, stations, and other public spaces, contributing to cleaner, more functional environments. In the logistics sector, where about 8.2 million Americans work, Optimus could facilitate inventory management and order fulfillment, helping to overcome the labor shortage that generates losses of up to $1.3 trillion per year. Looking ahead, these robots could become an integral part of American society. Within a few years, we could see Optimus assisting in surgeries, acting as a tutor in schools, or even assisting emergency responders in critical situations. Artificial intelligence and robotics are estimated to generate approximately $15.7 trillion in the global economy by 2030, with $3.7 trillion in the United States alone. Optimus's role in this scenario could be crucial, especially in large urban centers like New York, Los Angeles, and San Francisco, where labor costs are high and population density makes automation even more attractive. Beyond efficiency, Optimus can contribute to sustainable causes. It could contribute to environmental initiatives such as selective waste collection and reforestation. The UN estimates that automated waste management could reduce untreated waste by up to 15% by 2030 in cities like Seattle, which aims to achieve zero waste status by 2040. The robot could help separate recyclable materials or keep public areas clean, supporting ecological goals. The social impact is also promising. Imagine community centers in rural areas renting Optimus units to teach programming or offer telemedicine, a significant advance for the approximately 19% of Americans who still lack broadband internet access. This would create new opportunities for digital inclusion, education, and economic development. However, despite their great potential, the widespread adoption of public robots faces significant challenges. One of the main ones is the fear of job losses. According to a 2023 World Economic Forum report, automation could replace up to 85 million jobs worldwide by 2025, primarily affecting low-skilled areas such as retail and food service. In the United States alone, more than 15 million people work in the food sector, making this impact even more significant. To address this, it is essential to invest in professional retraining programs, as Germany did, which managed to reduce unemployment by 40% by offering technical training adapted to the new reality. Another critical issue is privacy. Robots like Optimus, equipped with cameras and sensors, could end up capturing sensitive information in homes or public places. Tesla promises to adhere to strict data protection standards, but distrust remains high, especially after data leaks in the tech industry. A recent survey revealed that 67% of Americans are concerned about the misuse of information by AI systems, reinforcing the need for stronger regulations. Furthermore, specific legal regulations for the use of public robots are still lacking. Who will be liable for any failures that result in damage? How will hygiene and maintenance be monitored between different users? The U.S. Department of Transportation's guidelines on autonomous vehicles are a starting point, but specific laws for robots like Optimus will be essential to ensure safety and liability. Finally, the third-generation Optimus will be able to surpass human performance in many functions. With the ability to operate without pauses and equipped with precision algorithms powered by artificial intelligence, the robot can reduce repetitive errors by up to 98%, according to a 2023 study. Its advanced neural systems, trained with large volumes of data, similar to those used in Tesla's autonomous driving system, which has already analyzed over 1 billion miles by 2024, allow the robot to learn by watching videos. As Elon Musk explained in a 2024 podcast, this ability to learn by observation makes Optimus suitable for roles in factories, hospitals, and even in the home. This not only increases efficiency, but also contributes to reducing workplace accidents. In 2023, the U.S. recorded 2.6 million occupational injuries according to OSHA, something that robots like Optimus can help minimize. The Tesla Optimus Gen 3 represents a giant leap forward in robotics, designed not only for high performance, but also for exceptional durability and sustainability. While most commercial robots have an estimated lifespan of between 5 and 10 years, Tesla has set an ambitious goal. Optimus is designed to operate reliably for up to 24 years in real-world conditions, requiring little or no heavy maintenance throughout. This impressive longevity is the result of meticulous engineering involving its structural design, mechanical components, electronic systems, and software, aligned with Elon Musk's vision of a companion robot that will last for decades. The foundation of this resilience lies in the robot's physical structure. Optimus's frame is made of 77.5 T6 aluminum alloy, a material widely used in the aerospace industry due to its high strength-to-weight ratio. With a tensile strength of approximately 83,000 pounds per square inch, according to industry standards, this structure withstands decades of daily stress from movement, lifting, and precision tasks without losing its integrity. In areas subject to the most wear, such as the shoulders, knees, and spine, Tesla uses carbon fiber reinforced polymer, lightweight and extremely impact resistant. Unlike heavier materials, such as the titanium used in robots like Boston Dynamics Atlas, this solution keeps Optimus agile and energy efficient, contributing to its longer lifespan. A 2024 study by the Materials Research Society found that carbon fiber components can withstand up to 30 years of cyclic stress with little degradation, reinforcing Tesla's durability goals. Internally, the mechanisms are also designed to withstand the test of time. Each major joint of the robot undergoes rigorous testing, withstanding up to 1.5 million flex cycles, the equivalent of over 20 years of typical use in residential, industrial, or commercial environments. As disclosed in a Tesla article in 2025, the gearboxes use high-quality synthetic lubricants and stainless steel bearings to reduce friction, while the motors feature heat shielding and intelligent load balancing systems to prevent overheating. These technologies ensure stable performance even after long periods of use. It's worth noting that the motor design leverages Tesla's expertise in electric vehicles, where similar units have already surpassed the 1 million mile mark, according to the company's 2024 reliability report. Optimus's power source is a battery composed of 4,680 cells specially optimized for durability. Laboratory tests have shown that these batteries maintain 80% of their original capacity after 3,500 complete charge and discharge cycles. Considering a 6-day-a-week operation routine with a daily charge, this translates into over 20 years of useful life, which can reach 24 years with intelligent management that prioritizes partial recharges. Tesla's battery management system uses adaptive algorithms to control temperature and minimize chemical degradation, avoiding stressful conditions such as deep discharges. A study published in 2023 in the Journal of Power Sources confirmed that these strategies can extend the life of lithium-ion batteries by about 25% compared to traditional recharging methods. A key differentiator for Optimus is its self-protective intelligence, derived from the same advanced AI as Tesla's autonomous driving system, which analyzed over 1 billion miles of data by 2024. The robot's neural network monitors wear and tear in real time, identifying signs of excessive stress on joints and adjusting its movements to reduce the impact. For example, if a shoulder joint is under excessive stress, Optimus can transfer the task to another limb, protecting its hardware from long-term damage. This intelligence, combined with thermal and motion control, keeps the robot stable and at an adequate temperature during long operations. Optimus's modular design also contributes to its durability, allowing components such as motors and sensors to be replaced individually without the need to rebuild the entire system. A 2024 analysis published by Robotics Business Review indicated that modular architectures can reduce maintenance costs by up to 40% and extend robot lifespan by up to 50%. To ensure this robustness, Tesla subjects Optimus to extreme tests, including thermal cycling ranging from 25 degrees to 50 degrees C, simulated drops, vibrations, and dust exposure, as detailed in the company's 2025 engineering report. Virtual digital models of the robot, digital twins, undergo tens of thousands of hours of simulation to identify weaknesses before production. Sensors, such as cameras, torque meters, and gyroscopes, have redundancies to maintain operation even if a module fails, minimizing downtime. Tesla's Optimus robot is one of Elon Musk's boldest initiatives, involving billions in investment for its development. Despite this, there are still skeptics who question its practical usefulness, especially since its current functionality is basic, and engineers acknowledge that it still requires significant tweaks and fixes before its scheduled 2026 launch. To reach the final version, Tesla is focusing on at least 4 major improvements for Optimus Gen 3, or version 3, as Musk prefers to call it. With this, Musk wants to demonstrate that Tesla is going far beyond electric vehicles, positioning Optimus as a revolutionary product. One of the major differentiators of version 5.3 is the integration of xAI's Grove voice-based artificial intelligence, which puts Optimus ahead of the curve in the field of humanoid robots. Why is this so important? First, Grove's natural language processing completely transforms the way the robot interacts.